Do you want to remove your video's background instantly without a green screen or complicated software? In this video, I'll show you how to do it for free using vid.io in just few clicks. Let's do it. First, go to the vid.io and upload your video. Once it's loaded in the editor, click on the video layer and head to the video setting. Scroll down and select the remove background, and now Bits AI will automatically detect your subject and separate it from the background. No green screen needed or anything like that. After that, add a new background layer behind your subject. You can use a solid color, a gradient, or even upload an image and blur it to your liking. And your video now looks clean and professional. Once you are happy with the final result, just tap on done and export the video. Then hit the download icon to save it to your device. Here is the part you should know. With the free plan, you will only get the 720 quality and there will be a speed watermark on your video. If you want to download in full HD and remove the watermark, you will need to upgrade to one of their affordable paid plans. And trust me, it's totally worth it. Not only do you get high quality downloads, but you also unlock access to all of Vid's advanced features like this, including AI avatars, subtitle tools, auto cut, text to speech, and more. So if you are serious about creating better content, I highly recommend checking out their paid plan. You can support us by using our affiliate link in the description below. It helps Mokha guide our channel and gets you access to everything vid.io has to offer. Peace out.